Emma, come with us. The car is waiting.
No, Uncle, I'm not going home with you.
Stop making this difficult. Your wedding is only 2 days away.
I don't care. I won't marry someone I don't even know.
I already gave my promise. This marriage will happen.
That was your promise, not mine. You can't decide my life.
Think about our family's reputation. Everyone is waiting for this wedding.
What about my happiness? Doesn't that matter to anyone?
Happiness comes later. First, you obey your family.
No, respect isn't forced. Marriage isn't a prison.
Emma, this is your last chance. Get into the car.
No. This is my first chance to live my own life.
Uncle! She's running!
Don't let her escape.
Please. I just need one chance to get away.
Good morning, sir. May I have your passport and boarding pass, please?
Sure, 1 second. I just kept it here. That's strange. It was here just a minute ago. Oh no, I can't find my passport.
Please take your time, sir. Maybe it's in another pocket. I'm sorry, sir. Without your passport, I can't complete your check-in. You should check the places you walked through. Someone may have found it.
Thank you. I have to find it before it's too late. Come on. Where did I drop it? Emma, stop running. You're coming home with us.
You don't have to look for me. I'm already married.
Married? Since when?
My husband is inside the airport. He's waiting for me.
Really? Then call him here. We want to meet him.
Just give me 1 minute. Where could it be?
Did she find something?
Ryan? I think I just found my husband. Excuse me. Are you Ryan?
Yes, I am. I'm sorry. Do we know each other?
No, we've never met before. But I know you're looking for something.
Wait, did you find my documents?
Yes, I found it.
Oh, thank goodness.
I'll give it back, but I need one favor first.
A favor? What do you mean?
My uncle wants to force me into a marriage. I told them my husband is waiting for me.
You want me to be that husband?
Thank you, Ryan. I promise I won't forget this kindness.
What exactly am I walking into?
Uncle, this is my husband, Ryan.
Hello, sir. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Ryan. So, what do you do for a living? I'm a software engineer. I work in London. What's your full name? Ryan Thomas. Ryan Thomas? Your father's name is Mr. Thomas? Yes, he's my father. Do you know him? If you've already chosen your life, we won't stop you today. So, why did they suddenly change their minds after hearing my name? Can you explain something? Why did they suddenly leave?
I don't know. They were ready to drag me home. Then everything changed.
They asked about my name and my father. It felt like they already knew him.
Maybe they really do know your father.
Well, at least your plan worked.
It worked because of you. Thank you. You helped a complete stranger.
You're not a stranger anymore. Oh no, my flight! The boarding gate must be closed by now.
I'm so sorry. Because of me, you missed your flight.
Don't blame yourself. A flight can be booked again. But if I hadn't helped you, I would have regretted it for the rest of my life. Come on, it's getting late. I'll drop you wherever you feel safe.
Maybe meeting Ryan wasn't an accident after all.
Seatbelt on?
Yes.
So, where should I take you?
I don't really have anywhere to go tonight.
What about your family?
They stopped feeling like family a long time ago.
Sometimes life changes because of one unexpected meeting.
My apartment is just over there. I don't know how to thank you.
You already did.
Good night, Ryan.
Good night, Emma. I've only known her for one day.
You've been smiling since I walked in. What's going on?
I met someone today. It was the strangest day of my life. I pretended to be her husband.
You did what?
I keep thinking about her.
I knew it. You're falling in love.
I don't even know if I'll ever see her again.
Funny things happen when life has other plans. I bet you're hoping it's her.
Emma?
Well, are you going to answer it?
Hello? Emma?
Hi, Ryan. I hope I'm not disturbing you. I just wanted to thank you again. You helped me more than you'll ever know.
You don't have to thank me. I'm just glad you're safe.
Ryan, would you like to meet again?
I was hoping you'd ask.
So, tomorrow afternoon?
It's a date.
I hope she likes flowers.
I can't believe I'm actually excited.
Hello, Emma.
Uncle?
Emma, it's time to come home. She doesn't want to leave. This is a family matter. Then let Emma decide for herself.
I'm staying here. That is my decision.
This isn't over. These were supposed to be a surprise.
They still are. I think this is the first time I've truly relaxed all day.
I'm glad we finally got our coffee.
Thank you. Not just for today.
You don't have to face everything alone anymore. You're home earlier than I expected. Dad, I need to tell you something. I met someone. I think I've fallen in love. I've been waiting a long time to hear those words. Years ago, I made a promise to an old friend. I've already chosen someone I hoped you would one day marry. I'm sorry, Dad. I respect your promise, but my heart already belongs to someone else. If she's the one who truly makes you happy, then I want to meet her.
Thank you, Dad.
I hope one day you meet the young woman I chose for you. I'd like you to meet someone.
It's an honor to meet you, sir.
I hope one day you meet the young woman I chose for you. We've met before, when I was recovering in the hospital. There was one young woman who visited every day.
I only wanted to help.
I've come to keep a promise. I've come to return what belongs to your family. Ryan, this is the young woman I chose for you years ago. Emma, I'm truly sorry.
I forgive you.
Emma, will you marry me?
Yes, with all my heart.
Sometimes love doesn't arrive by chance.
It arrives exactly when fate has been waiting for it.